Hi, Shannon Andrews and Gunnar P. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we're making baked squash. For this recipe you will need 3 medium yellow squash, 24 crackers, unsalted, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 large egg. Remove ends and cut squash into equal sized spheres. The Otoe word for squash is wadwan inge. Squash is a vegetable native to the Americas. Squash, together with corn and beans, are known as the Three Sisters. Each is planted at a certain time near one another for best growth. As part of the Three Sisters, the squash leaves help to shade the corn and beans and keep the soil moist. Farming and gardening with the Three Sisters is still part of native cultures today. Squash is used in many recipes. It is paired with corn and beans in traditional meals to make Three Sisters stew, soups, and salads. Squash can also be stuffed with beans, meat, rice, and other vegetables, and then buried underneath coals to cook. Like the name, summer squash is usually harvested in the summer. In a zip-top bag, add crackers and seal bag closed. Use a rolling pin or your hands to crush crackers into fine crumbs. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Pour cracker crumbs into a shallow dish. Add Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix to combine. Try breadcrumbs instead of crackers. For more flavor, add black pepper or crushed red pepper. In a second shallow dish, add egg and beat with a whisk or a fork. Dip squash spears into egg and then into the cracker mixture. Place on a prepared baking sheet. Repeat until all squash is coated. Any summer squash could be used. Summer squash includes yellow straight neck, yellow crook neck, zucchini, and pan patty squash. Summer squash have soft rinds or skins that are tender and light in color. Many of the nutrients in summer squash are in the skin and seeds. When preparing summer squash to eat or cook, leave the skin on and the seeds in. Bake squash for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Flip squash halfway through. Serve warm. This recipe makes 6 servings. 1 serving is 7 spheres. Enjoy!